Hello friends, today I am going to teach the topic is receptors. Here receptors are receivers which receive signal from a drug sent to site and it act as a mediators. Here receptors are say receivers means when the drug is administered either orally, parenterally, rectally and it receives the signal from a drug and send to the site means target site and it act as a mediators. Here receptors are also a macromolecule or binding site located on the surface or inside the effector cell that serves to recognize the signal from a drug or a molecule and send to site and it act as a mediators. Here mechanism of action is done through the receptors. Mechanism of action is nothing but here pharmacological of action is done through the receptors. The receptors have the agonist, antagonist, partial agonist and inverse agonist. Here agonist means it have a affinity and efficacy means agonist is nothing but it is an agent which activates a receptors to produce an effective similar to that of the physiological signal molecules means agonist have a it is an agent means it have the affinity and efficacy. Affinity means nothing but it is a binding abilities. It have the binding ability and efficacy means it have the binding affinity when it bind the drug molecule to the receptor and it stimulate the receptors and shows the pharmacological action. Here I am giving the example. Here the receptors are present mainly on the surface or inside the effector cell means nothing but transmembrane of the muscle cells. So agonist here the site of the agonist when the drug molecule is combined or send when the drug molecules is received is attached to the receptors the site of the agonist site and receives the signal from a drug molecule and sent to the site. It's a site of the agonist and it have binding ability means affinity. It bind the to the receptors. Agonist means is the drug molecules. When the drug molecules is attached to the when the drug molecules is activate the receptors means when the drug molecules absorbed from them through the body either rectally, parenterally or orally it send to the target site and have the binding ability and it shows the pharmacological action means nothing but efficacy. The binding it stimulates the receptors and shows the pharmacological action. Example is nothing but acetylcholine. Here acetylcholine is the example of the agonist. When acetylcholine is an agonist to M2 receptor and these are located on the heart and decreases the heart rate. So when the patient get tachycardia and the acetylcholine of a drug is an agonist means when the acetylcholine is administered to the body M2 receptors to it attached to the M2 receptor and it decreases the heart rate nothing but bradycardia. This is the agonist. Here antagonist means it have affinity does not have efficacy means an agent which prevents the action of agonist on a receptor or a subsequent response means which prevents the agonist means agonists have the affinity and efficacy but antagonists have the affinity it have the binding site but does not show the efficacy means pharmacological action is does not shown. Example is atropine increases the heart rate. Acetylcholine decreases the heart rate and atropine is increases the heart rate, means tachycardia. Atropine is the antagonist and it abolishes the action of the agonist. Next, here competitive antagonist is the nothing but this is the competitive antagonist. When acetylcholine is attached to the receptor M2 receptors and it decreases the heart rate, but when the competitive antagonist atropine is administered to the patient's body, it attaches to the M2 receptors and it increases the heart rate, shows the tachycardia. So it acts as a competitive antagonist to the agonist. Atropine acts as a competitive antagonist and shows the increases the heart rates. So this is the agonist and antagonist differences. Next, partial agonist. It have the affinity and efficacy but have low efficacy. Means partially means an agent which activates the receptors to produce submaximal effect but antagonize the action of a full agonist. So it shows partially. Partially means 50% of the pharmacological actions will shows, means it have the affinity binding set but efficacy is have the 50%. So it is known as partial agonist. Next, inverse agonist. Inverse agonist means having affinity and efficacy is completely opposite to the agonist, means an agent which activates a receptors to produce an effect in the opposite direction to the agonist. Agonist have the affinity and efficacy but inverse agonist having the efficacy and affinity is completely opposite, means does not shows the pharmacological action.